A man from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Sheikh.
Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.
So, Sheikh, I wanted to ask that here in subcontinent, there is a lot of propaganda spread by Ikhwanul Muslimin and Deobandi scholars, and also many Muslims believe that the Arab world is sleeping and enjoying their luxurious life and don't care about the
As long as it's a propaganda, akhi. Who listens to it except stupid people? So ignore it. When dogs bark, we don't fall on our hands and knees and bark back. Yes, the Arab world is not perfect. We have our own flaws and shortcomings. But mashallah, the brothers and the sisters in the subcontinent are, mashallah, doing it well. We are all bad Muslims. And these calamities that are falling on us, left, right, and center, are due to our own shortcomings and flaws, our own sins. If we don't transform into real Muslims and reform our lives, our homes, our workplaces, our streets, and implement Sharia everywhere by the book in our character, not only in claiming to be Salafi or to be this or to be that. No. By actually walking the talk, lifting our heads up high and being proud of being Muslims and dealing with people in fairness and kindness and generosity. Only then Allah would change what's happening. Other than that, we will keep on pointing fingers at you in the subcontinent, and you'll do the same at us in the Arab world, and the winner is shaitan.